We're at Disney California Adventure for Halloween.
And we're gonna see what Oogie Boogie has in stores for us today.
And we're gonna eat food.
All the food.
Of course.
Thank you.
I really like the purple. It's nice.
Okay.
Just purple everywhere.
Let's go see the Headless Horseman.
He looks like he has real clothes on. That suit's actually really nice.
Yeah. So we're at Award Wieners and we're gonna try the Spell Bar. It's a fried Snickers bar.
Okay. Hello. Can I get one of the Spell Bars, please?
How many?
I thought she was going for the table too. I was like, all right, Jackie, just met the cola.
What table?
The woman behind you was walking like directly towards this table, and I thought you'd just like butt into her, but no, she walked past, so it's fine. You're not a monster. Anyway, let's eat this, shall we? I don't know what I expected. For whatever reason, I thought we were eating a Twinkie. This is Snickers.
Yeah, this is Snickers.
I paid zero attention when we were ordering.
It's actually pretty good. I guess the chocolate like melts completely, so you're just eating the
It's like
nuggets? Is that what it's called?
It's like a fudge-filled corn dog.
It's good. I would get this again.
Okay, Jackie's looking up some other food and stuff, but we're supposed to get something from this food truck. I haven't been looking up any of the names, so I don't know what it's called, but she mentioned it at in an earlier shot. The Splash, okay.
Oogie Boogie Splash / agua fresca de sandía with tajin.
Tastes like watermelon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really good. I sometimes worry they won't get like agua frescas, right?
And it's just watermelon and water with sugar, no?
With tajin.
How do you think they'd mess that up? Like not using real watermelon or like
Yeah, using syrups.
syrups? This ain't Starbucks. It's Disney.
They use a lot of syrups here. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. But I feel like I could get it anywhere, so.
Yeah. Oh look, the ride we never go on.
Oh look, a very scary ride.
We should go on the ride. Oh, is it Halloween themed now?
It is actually.
We should go on it
Well, you can go on it and tell us
for content.
how it went. See, this attraction may be frightening for children.
Are you a children?
I am frightened, yeah.
I'm on a solo mission.
I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in a fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. If you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious. Watch your language!
Okay, solo mission over. I'm gonna go find the girls. Excuse me. What are you guys doing?
There's a vampire Mickey. Get the vampire Mickey.
What would you guys get?
We're gonna get the little Mickey pumpkin to make your own headband, and then gonna make a vampire Mickey headband.
Dogs. Oh, here you go. Chili cheese corn dog?
Yeah.
Can we get one of the chili cheese corn dogs, please?
So I actually thought it'd have a lot more chili, but it looks really good. But I did think it'd be like sitting or swimming in chili. But I can tell why they just put a little bit, so it's not too messy as you eat it.
Oh, where are we going? The alien pizza planet for spicy hot honey pizza that's Halloween themed somehow. I'll tell you more in a second. My favorite space cafeteria.
Space cafeteria.
Yep.
Well, we came for the Halloween pizza that they don't have advertised. Do you guys have the Halloween pizza? Yeah. Okay.
You all enjoy it.
Thank you. Gotta find a seat.
Okay. Pick your piece. Supposedly has a jalapeno cilantro crema. It's pretty good. I like the chili. I don't think it's that spicy. So I'm not sure about this spicy craze they got going on.
The bread is cold.
Oh, well, it's cold because we carried it across the car.
It's their fault, not ours.
But I really like it and I would get it again. You want me to try the pizza now?
It does not seem anything special compared to the regular corn dog.
Well, normally it doesn't have chili.
Just sweet. There's no spice to it at all. Like, it's just, it tastes like regular pizza with honey on top. I can't really taste any of the, like, chili peppers or whatever they added to it to make it Halloween-y.
Yeah, I think they go overboard with the hot honey sauce. But it's very flavorful and I like it, but it is pretty sweet. Are we gonna cheers?
Cheers. You just wanted to take my cheese, didn't you?
I actually really like it.
It's supposed to be a cream cheese icing.
The pumpkin cream cheese, yeah. When I saw the pumpkin spice like smothered on it, I thought it was gonna be overkill, but it's actually really good.
We're at the Grand Californian now.
Well, we came to see the seasonal candy display, Rice Krispie display, modeling chocolate display.
Is it made of chocolate?
It's made of candy, modeling chocolate, Rice Krispie, and it just happens to be Jack and Sally. It's
They look
simply
short.
meant to be.
It looks so short.
Maybe it's just for the proportions a little off on Sally.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, Sally should either be smaller or Jack should be taller.
Oh, Oogie Boogie is on the other side.
Interesting. I wonder if it's supposed to cast that shadow of them. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Once you're in front of it, you see the shadow. No, stand right here,
Oh.
and then you see the shadow like properly. But over here, there's also a shadow that's cast. That's like weird.
Oh, he has the dice. I didn't even notice he had the dice.
Okay, so what are you looking for here, or what?
So every season there's the holiday cart, and normally we get the Christmas gingerbread cookie, but today we're gonna get the Halloween gingerbread skeleton cookie. So basically a zombie cookie. And there's Oogie Boogie and Sally. Sorry. Ooh, the Jack cookie looks really pretty. And this is the viral zombie cookie or skeleton cookie. Wow, it is playing by itself. Wow, technology is so cool. So where to?
Let's go see the lights at some point.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go to Carsland.
underwhelming. This needed to be at dusk, not sunset. All right, so we came, we saw, we tasted food. Are we done?
I think we are.
All right, that's Halloween at Disney, at least what we experienced. Let's go home, Nemo?
Let's go.
All right.